for you. You are mine now. You are mine. You can't escape death. You can't escape death. You die tonight. I will kill you. There is no escape. You will not be able to escape. There is no escape. Death will come upon you. Tonight, you die. You are weak. You are weak. You cannot defeat me. You cannot defeat me. There is no hope. There is no hope. Darkness will take over the world. Darkness will take over the world. The light shall be stamped out. Give up now. Give up. You are weak. You cannot defeat me. You cannot defeat me. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. 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 No. 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 Ha ha ha. Yes. 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 That is right. That's right. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, you are quite wrong. You are wrong. I'm coming after you now. You are next. How dare you? How dare you? You are mine now. Fear me. Fear me now. You should fear me. You should fear nothing but me. I am the darkness. I am the darkness. I am death. I am death. I am death. You are dead. You are next. Be afraid. Be very afraid. You stand no chance. You stand no chance. I am invincible. I am invincible. I am invincible. Your weapons cannot hurt me. Your weapons cannot hurt me. Your weapons are useless. Give in. Give up now. Give up. Ha. 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 Oh. Oh. Ah. 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 Huh. Ah. I will be back. I will be back. You have not defeated me yet. I will return. I am not going away that easy. I'm not going away that easy. You fool. You are a fool. You're nothing but a weak elf. You're nothing but a weak dwarf. You're nothing but a weak human. You're nothing but a weak gnome. You're nothing but a weak orc. You're nothing but a pathetic halfling. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. See you next time. I will haunt you forever. I will dine on your soul. I will have your soul